Sanibonani guys, nanku umbuzo wami engutholile baba uZungu, izone eactive noma la kune demand khona and then izone eactive la kune supply khona singayibona kanjani? Bafowethu niyazi nginikezile ithuluzi iSuper Trend, then njengoba niqhubeka ningena emaklasini ngiyanifundisa ngalo leli thuluzi. So ukuze ngenze ivideo yami ibe short ingabi yinde, angeke ngichaze kakhulu ngeSuper Trend, kodwa ngizonibonisa izinto ezibalekile engicabanga ukuthi ningabenefita kuzona. Khumbula ke le video ayenzelwanga ngenhloso yokukunikeza ifinancial advice, kodwa le video yenzelwe ngenhloso yokuthi wena uthole information bese ubona ukuthi information ikusiza kanjani njengoba ufisa ukuba i-forex trader. Okay, asiqaleni ke. So nansi iSuper Trend yami, uyabona la ukuthi kunama button noma ama dots are red. Let me just zoom it. Kunama button noma ama dots are red. So uma nje ubheka kule trend lana sinani, sine downtrend. Uma uyibhekisisa kahle, sorry, sine downtrend. Let me just put this one as clumsy as it can be. Ngiqala la ngithi lana sine downtrend, sorry, sine downtrend guys. Okay, mhlambe ngiyibeke la and then bese ngiyibeka la, ngiphinde ngithi sinani, sine downtrend, right, sharp. Okay, so okuningi ke guys angizukuchaza because niyakufunda emaklasini amahala. Ake sibuke nje le downward move le, sibone ukuthi yini ebalekile la esengayithola, yabo. So uma sibheka lana sosho sithi okay, la kule zone le ama bears bewa very active, right? And then la kule zone le ama buyers, they were very active. Angithi nebo lento engizama ukunibonisa yona, and this is a 30 minutes time frame XAU USD, right? So here in the middle still ama bears were still showing any control, and that's why we're able to get to this part, yabo. So why kubalekile guys ukubona izone active at a particular time? Ngoba izokusiza ukuthi wena uzitshela okay, if izone active ile yama bears, okusho ukuthi lapho ngizokwenza njani, ngizo trader in a direction ye zone active, ngizothatha ama sell position kwi market. Uma ngitrader if izone active it's a buy zone, then ngizothatha ini, ngizothatha ama buys emarket. Uyayibona lo nto leyo? All right, so mina I prefer ukuthi ngimake from la ngithi yabona la qala khona lama dot green la esivale khona below ama dot green kule khandlela, ngifaka i rectangle yami ngiyisa phezulu until to I high yale week. Right guys, if you can see here, this is a double top, right? It's an M shape, it's a double top, right? So uma leya ngithatha ini I week leya phezulu, ngithatha nani nala oqale khona sivala khona ama dots, because that's where ama bulls and bears decided ukuthi okay, now bears you have won, go down, yabo. And then same thing applies uma ikhandlela lizovala above ama dot are red, ila ama bears asho khona ukuthi hey bulls, no yazini guys, you have defeated us, so right now you can take control, push the market wherever you want. Uyayibona nezo lento engizama ukuyichaza guys. So yipi izone eba active kakhulu? Yipi izone eba active kakhulu? Yila okuqale khona umshikashika. Ithini nginibonisa yona? Angithi la ila isiqale khona umshikashika la, right? Ila isiqale khona umshikashika la ngaphezulu, yabo. Kungani ngisho kanjalo guys? Angithi la besine previous high, then imarket ya retesta the previous high, then sabona ama week amaning, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, all these weeks or these shadows, I tell we are trying to go up but we kept on being suppressed, we are pushed down. So ikhona into ekhona ukuthi a selling pressure is building up in that zone. So ila kuqale khona ini umshikashika, yabo? And then ngiyeza futhi ngapha ngiyamaka la in the middle line ye triangle yami, and then ngiyamaka, and then ngiyamaka futhi kwi lowest week yami, yabo? Sengiyayidelete ke triangle yami ukuze kube clean phela i-charting lami ukuze libe clean. And then ngidelete nalento le just bengifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi le move iyaphansi guys, yabo? Iyaphansi, right? Delete ke manje sengisele ngama line ayingaki i4. Dangithi yabo. So now as you can see guys, njengoba besiya phansi lana yini ebesiyibona yenzeka. Look at these weeks. Look at these weeks. Look at these weeks. Yabo? Okay, yabonisa ukuthi selling pressure was building up in this zone. So now busungalindela ukuthi okay, the market is going to start pressing down. Angithi yabona. Right. Siyafika lana futhi kule zone. Siya breaker above, ama bulls ayasho ukuthi okay, bears take over, go wherever you want to go with the market, yabo? But the bulls never stopped to try, yabo? Why sisho kanjalo guys? Remember here sinani manje sine bullish fair value gap, yabo? So that is why the bulls were more active in this zone, because they were hoping that they can regain strength and go up with the market. So you can see here with the bulls were trying very hard to push the market down. Shame they did try, but who was in control? Remember this zone here, so it is understandable why the bulls failed to push the market higher beyond the high of this zone, yabo? Ithi ngikubonisa ukuthi nakhona kuphelele kuphi. Le ndaba iphelele kuphi, yabo? Yabona le khandlela lethe lide leli. This candlestick elide. Uyalibona ukuthi noma linomkhuba ngoba ama bulls aqala khona vele la kule fair value gap ayipusha, but still azama. You see, price did not break below. Yabo uma siza la in this zone la. Price yethu did not break below the low. Yabo? Price maintained the low yaleli khandlela leli lide leli, yabo? Because that was a rejection candlestick esiyitholile. Ngithola guys. All right. So ama bulls now akayazama ukuyipusha imarket, ayipusha iya kuphi? Iya phezulu. Ijike kuphi le market guys? There was a bearish fair value gap here. If you can see, there's a bearish fair value gap here, right? If you see nicely. So mina ngiyathanda ukuthatha ini ukuthatha the full candlestick lele likunikeze ini i-bearish imbalance. Ngivele nje ngilimake lonke ukuze ngibone ukuthi kwenzakalani if imarket iyabuya, yabo? Vele ngilimake lonke leli khandlela okuyilona likunikeze imbalance, yabo? So nali ikhandlela la khona ngilimakile. So uma ubheka imarket came just near this zone. Why? Guys, ithi ngizofaka ama line amancane, you will see here. Angithi yabona la. Okay, there was no gap here, but near this zone, if you can see, kunama week la. Now futhi abebonisa ukuthi kanjani a strong. Angithini le guys, it's a drop, base, drop. Ngiyabona la umakhandlela mos. It's a drop, base, drop. Angithi yabo? So uma uzobheka this entire zone le yaleli khandlela leli khandlela leli, there was a strong consolidation ebiyenzeka la between ama bulls and bears, and the market, yes, it was able to go down because the bears were very much active. It tells you the bears were very much active. Okay, let's delete this one. So near this zone where there is a strong participation of ama bears, again kwenzakalani? The market isinikeza in this week. Yabona lonto leyo. So iyakutshela vele imarket ukuthi no man, why lana always isithola ama rejection la kule zone le? Why always isithola ama rejection? Ngithi niyabona lonto leyo. Okay, all good and well. Then the market goes down. The fair value gap is filled. sesiku previous low guys yabo sesiku previous low nakhona yabona ukuthi besinama week amnandi kanjani. So in this zone there was a strong participation yama bulls. Look at the candlestick le big yabo, there was a strong participation yama bulls. Sibone ngani ngama week angithi yabona into leyo. Right here savala above ama dots are ready, making this whole area in a demand zone. Okay, so then kusinikeza ingqondo ukuthi when the market comes back in this zone silindele ukuthi i-react isibonise ukuthi this was a strong zone la ama bulls were participate khona, and indeed we got this hammer candlestick. Can you see guys? Ithe mayifika nje yathi shuk yashona phezulu, but yafika kuphi la obe kune strong participation khona yama bears. Sesobona ngani futhi ngama weeks guys, look at this 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks trying, you understand? And if you can look nicely here, guys, what do we have here? We have a tweezer top, candlestick. These are equal highs of these two candlesticks, and also this is what it's a inside bar. This is an inside bar. In this zone right now, ama bulls, they were pushing up, but then that momentum died. Yabo, it died, and then sakala sabona ama weeks. Then we expected the market to go down. Then the market did go down. So you can see the strong participation in ama bulls and bears just by using in your active zones. And then we come here to the downside. Right, says Lulile, the middle says Swini. We come here to the downside. Again, look at this zone here. I always say look left, trade right. Sinani, Kanjelel Valley above ini, ama red dots. Then umshikashi kuqale kuphi? Umshikashi kuqalela. Angithi yabo ngiyamaka la sinani sine double bottom guys. Look at this candlestick. Rejection, and then it moves. This is a very nice bullish candlestick guys. A very nice bullish candlesticks. Also this one. Yabo, after this rejection yalama weeks, then the market starts shooting all the way up. Yabona lonto leyo guys. So now let me delete this one. So nginomshika wami la uqale khona. Then I move all the way to the right. Then look at this guys. The rejection candlestick here. The rejection and all these weeks. Look at these weeks. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All these weeks rejecting this zone. There is a buying pressure here. So you can get ready to do what? To do the buying. And you can see here a very nice bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Can you see guys? Alright, then the market push up. My figure la market change. He has confirmed that this is a very strong demand zone, and then we can see the market coming back trying to retest. But then my figure fair value gap, what happens? We get a very nice rejection candlestick guys, Nyalbo. A very nice rejection candlestick, and then stola ini a very nice bullish reversal candlestick gopi inside the fair value gap. Then the market change guys shoot all the way down. Shoot all the way up until where? Until to this zone where there was a strong participation yama sellers. That is why we can see now the market is acknowledging, hey, you know what? This zone, ama sellers were very strong. And we see very nice candlesticks going down at this point in time. So, but we still have we still have the fair value gap here. We still have the fair value gap here, and we still have base rally, a strong participation here between the bears and the bulls. But again, let the market decide ukuthi momentum ingakuphi and momentum izoshifta ishone ngakuphi. But again guys, into engifuna niqaphele la, just your active zones, whether who is active there. Is it the bears? or the supply? Is it the bulls or the demand? And if you can just be able to identify those things, uyokwazi ukuthi wenze njani or trade. And the nicest thing about these zones, guys, let me show you. The nicest things, if you go to a higher time frame, you will see that in 4 hours, as the market was consolidating all the time here in 4 hours, then you are able to trade a consolidation with confidence just by following the active zones. If the bears were active, you sell until we get a zone where the bulls are active, then you buy. Njalo njalo. So guys, ngicela ukuthi nihambe niyopractice, nibuke nale video, nihambe niyopractice, because ngizamile ukuyisimplifya ngiyibeke ngendlela elula engadingi i-degree, engadingi i-PhD, kodwa ekwazi ukukusiza ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani emarket. Okay, thank you guys.